In Chapter 20 of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk, the intensity and psychological depth of Fight Club's activities escalate significantly. The narrator finds himself embroiled in a grim task assigned by Tyler Durden to collect 12 driver's licenses. It's within this context that he encounters Raymond Hessel, a 23-year-old convenience store clerk, during the middle of the night. This chapter starkly showcases the narrator's internalized philosophy under Tyler's influence as he carries out this dangerous and morally ambiguous assignment with a mixture of zeal and existential crisis. The encounter between the narrator and Raymond is charged with tension and fear. The narrator, with a gun pressed against Raymond's cheek, forces him into a harrowing confrontation with his own unfulfilled potential and wasted life. The key dialogue unfolds when the narrator demands Raymond to disclose what he truly wanted to be in life, to which Raymond, amidst a whirlwind of terror and tears, confesses his dream of becoming a veterinarian, a dream he had shelved away. This brutal method of salvation serves as a twisted motivational speech where the narrator gives Raymond a terrifying ultimatum: pursue the dream of becoming a veterinarian or face death. By taking Raymond's driver's license, the narrator ensures leverage over him, symbolizing a disturbing commitment to follow through on his threat. This act is further twisted into a perverse act of mercy, as the narrator tells Raymond that, having survived this ordeal and been given a second chance, tomorrow will be the most beautiful day of Raymond's entire life. Chapter 20 exemplifies the radical and disturbing methods of motivation employed by the Fight Club and its leaders, showing how far the narrator has come from his original disillusioned state to becoming an instrument of Tyler's chaotic philosophy. It interrogates themes of existential desperation, the lengths individuals will go to feel alive, and the moral ambiguities of using fear as a catalyst for change. Through Raymond's terror-stricken awakening, Palahniuk delves deep into the psychology of his characters and the extremes of human behavior under duress, raising profound questions about salvation, freedom, and the cost of reawakened ambition. Thanks for watching this Bookly Crash Course video. Make sure to check out my channel for the complete chapter-by-chapter summary playlist.